as a front-end developer, and I want to learn the UX UI design. So
And
that's the
reason?
reason I'm here.
And why you want to learn UX UI design?
Because developing a website is it might be easy, but first we need to design the UI, right, before
Correct.
developing a website.
Makes sense. And you can say one more thing, which is you can actually interact with the customers. Since as a developer, you are developing the product, but
Yeah.
you like really don't know how your users are feeling about it. You are just
Yeah.
developing, right?
According to me, I will be developing.
Yes,
Even I need to see the users point of view also.
correct, correct, correct. Makes sense. Thank you, Tanvir.
Thank
Uh,
you.
Next, guys, please let's do this webinar. Two-way interaction, not one way. Rashmi, hi Rashmi, can you hear me? Okay, okay, you are in a function. Thank you. Still, you joined the webinar. Thank you. It's okay, completely fine. Next, anyone wants to say something? Vishaka. Hi, Vishaka. Vishaka, we are doing just introduction before joining a few people now. We'll do for 4 more minutes. Okay, so we can understand where are you from, why you joined this webinar, and to understand your background, so we can actually evaluate and guide you really well. Vishaka, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. Hi, sir.
Yeah, Vishaka, please tell us about yourself. Where are you from? What you are currently doing, and why user experience designing?
You speak Hindi, sir?
अच्छा, आप बताएंगे आप कहाँ से हो विशाखा, एंड आप क्या
Uh,
करते हो, एंड आपको यूजर एक्सपीरियंस डिजाइन के वेबिनार में ज्वाइन करने का एजेंडा क्या है?
सर मैं एमपी उज्जैन से बिलोंग करती हूँ
नाइस, ओके.
जी। लाइफ में कुछ करना था इसलिए ये देखा, वीडियो देखा तो फिर फॉर्म फिल कर दिया। लाइक कुछ करना था।
एंड आप
ऐसे घर पे खाली रह के क्या कर रहे तू? वर्क फ्रॉम होम कुछ।
ओके, सो जस्ट टू डेवलप वन स्किल, राइट?
यस।
थैंक यू. सो विशाखा, प्लीज स्टे, आप लास्ट तक इस कॉल पे रहो, ठीक है? यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि बेसिकली यूजर एक्सपीरियंस डिजाइन आपको कैसे हेल्प आउट कर सकता है. ओके.
ओके सर।
शक्तिवेल कुमार, हाय शक्ति. शक्तिवेल, कैन यू हियर मी? ओके. We have Mohammed Tanveer, Mahesh. Hi, Mahesh. Mahesh, Mahesh, can you hear me? No?
Yes, sir. Hi.
Mahesh, where are you from?
Sir, I am from Visakhapatnam, sir, Andhra Pradesh.
Good. And what about your background?
Yes, sir, I am a computer science student. Currently, I am a freelance graphic designer.
Freelancer, graphics designer, correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. And why you want to do this user experience design?
Like I haven't like thoughts like I want to enhance my skills. I want to become a UX UI designer. So basically, it will be like design concepts, right? But actually,
Okay.
after my graduation, I want to become UX UI designer. But I know graphic designing in my college days as well. So I
Okay,
am, yeah, currently I am learning UX UI designing, how it will be works on real time.
okay, makes sense. So, guys, basically, user experience is something which is like, trust me, it's so simple. You can understand user and experience. So, these are two terms, correct? Uh, we'll discuss a few more things later, and we'll introduce all of you guys together. Okay, where are we from? So the idea was to introduce you guys was, it's not compulsory. You need something special in your graduation or your education to join user experience. If you, since we have multiple people from multiple industries, okay, and
Yes,
we all can make career into user experience design. Okay, so
okay.
yeah, Mahesh, thank you very much for joining this webinar today. And
Thank
guys,
you.
myself, my name is Saurabh, and I belongs to Jaipur, Rajasthan. I have 7 years of experience into different industries, marketing, sales, operations. Apart from that, I also have some knowledge into technology, which is tech part. So my story is something out of the box. I started my own startup, run for nearby 10 to 12 months. Then I realized user experience is something which can help me in future to make my career once again into business. That's why I decided to join user experience, and I joined a company by the name of Imagine XP. As a UX evangelist, I learned a lot of things into user experience nearby 1 year. Then after that, I worked for a IT company which is area oriented. Then I joined a company by the name of GMNG Pro as a marketing head in Gurgaon, which is a multi gaming platform. After leaving GMNG, I started a company by the name of GamesAndFans.tv. Okay, so GamesAndFans.tv. Today we are going to discuss how we revolutionize all the gaming and entertainment industry with the help of games and fans. Okay, with the games of fans website and mobile application. What we do, what is the what was the feedback of the users that we help that help us to scale our gaming business. Just give me 1 second, guys. Okay, sorry. So how we revolutionize all the gaming industry, in not only in the terms of entertainment, but also in the terms of marketing, all the in the terms of optimization, and what we can say monetization. Okay, so games and fans. Once again, games and fans is a website or a mobile platform where you can get information about sports, which is traditional sports. You can say cricket, football, soccer, and golf. Secondary, we have esports category. Esports, you might know PUBG, Free Fire, all these games, guys. Just say yes or no. PUBG, Free Fire, Valorant, all these games. Okay. Okay, so second category is esports, and third is real money gaming, which is Dream 11, all these places, Rummy games or all these. So we just like we were working on a module where how we can come together, where sports, esports, and other games can be played. Okay, YouTube is one platform. I agree. There are Router, Loco, 100 crores or 500 crores company. Okay, in the same business. Along with this, we have Crickbuzz, Crick Tracker, and there are multiple competitors, you can say, against us. But yes, we did it. We did it for 2 years now, and we make Games and Fans as one of the well-known gaming brand right now these days. So me myself, I am the founder of GamesAndFans.tv, which I started 2 years back. Also, I am the founder of WEARE1 Academy. You guys might know. I started WEARE1 Academy back in 2021 just to start some gaming oriented things. But since I was having a soft corner in my heart for the user experience design, so that's why we started 8 months back user experience also. Now I'm just going to tell you a few details about VR1 Academy, which is like not that much, but yes, basic details. What is this webinar is all about us, history of UX, that most of the people know about user experience, right? How many people are here who do not know basics of user experience? Anyone? You can write in the chat box. All we all know about user experience basics. No. Yes, I know. No. Yes. Guys, please write in this chat box so I can understand. We have 18 people, we are limited people, and this webinar is only for the limited people who wants to learn something, who wants to upgrade them. Okay, you can ask me. Like I already told you, this is a two-way conversation, not one way, where someone can come and they just give you insights. No, this is something which we want to understand from your perspective, so we can understand how many people are here who knows about user experience, whom we can teach something good. So that's why we host this webinar. Okay, so there are 50, more than 50 people who know about user experience, and 70 people are sorry, 20-30% people are the people who do not know about user experience. So about us, I already told you we started this company 2020 year, where we were having some esports and gaming courses, and now 8 months back we started our user experience program with our partners. There are some highlights of our media presence: Mike Hale, CXO Today, Express Computer, Ad Gully, and SLSV. These are the events that we used to do. Now let's talk about user experience. Okay, so user experience is all about creating unique experience or improving your products. So simply if I tell in Hindi, आप किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को किसी भी सर्विस को आप यूजर्स के अकॉर्डिंग इम्प्रूव कितना कर सकते हो, या फिर आपको उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स है जो आपको फिगर आउट करने हैं, सिर्फ यही यूजर एक्सपीरियंस डिजाइन है बेसिक्स में. Second thing, there are two things: digital products and physical products. So user experience दोनों में implement होता है. Digital products में भी होता है. When I say digital product, this means mobile application, website or softwares. When I say physical product, which means mobile phones, uh, water bottles, your chairs, gaming chairs, your sleeping beds, anything that you can see with your eyes. वही user experience है कि आप किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को कितना इम्प्रूव कर सकते हो. ओके, सोना, कैन यू प्लीज टर्न ऑफ योर कैमरा. Okay, so user experience is simply you can improve your products or your services. Yes, Karthik, I know. That's why I'm telling you in the both languages. Okay, so user experience is something just to improve the experience of the product, which can be digital and which can be physical, with the help of, you can say, with the help of technology, with the help of your thinking capacity. There can be anything. With the help of, you can create a unique product. Let's say you are facing a problem and you create a mobile application, correct? Just like phone pay, Paytm, or all these things, you have to send money. Before, when I talk about 2000, early 2000 or 2004 5, so people used to went in this bank, then they just deposit the money and send to their children or anyone in this world, right? But people introduce mobile applications where you can simply send money just one click, in one click, right? That's why phone pay, Paytm, Google Pay, all these companies become into picture. Similarly, when I talk about, let's say, movie booking, okay, so there were traditional method was we have to visit the cinemas. Does not matter there are seats are available or not, right? We do not know from our home. Okay, but book my show and all these companies came into picture, and where we can see, okay, 10 seats are left, 20 seats are left. I will get front row, center row, or last row. Correct? Agree? Everybody agree with this? Am I able to understand you guys?
Yes, sir.
Can you write in this chat box, guys? Please, we have 21 people. One is me. We have 20 people. Yes, makes sense. Thank you, guys. So this is simply you can say this is user experience, which is people get some solution. Okay, uh, there are some tips like there are some terms which can use. You can say usability, like uses of the users. Okay, cars is the one of the best example. Now we are getting automatic cars, but like there are in back when we talk about the history, so automation we do not know at that time, right? This is usability. Accessibility, when I say, means there are some products that will be long life. You can say they can survive in long life. You can say jackets. Okay, we rarely purchase jackets because they are like you can use 3 4 years. When I talk about t-shirts, so you just use it for 6 months, correct? Yes, driverless cars. Yes, Gaurav, you are right. So this is your accessibility. Performance is something your mobile phones. We were having a iPhones back 3 4 5 hours of battery backup. Now these days we have 15 to 20 or 30 hours of battery backup. Mobile phones, correct? User interface, which is your you can see from your eyes. Okay, looks, feel, slim. All these things are user interface design. User centered design, which means once again slim and all these color is rose gold in iPhone or gold plated on all these things. Okay, prototyping and wireframing, which this is something which we learn how to collect the data and put in a frame. You might have seen in the movies, cops usually create some graphs and put some photographs on the walls, and they create, okay, this is my target, correct? You have seen this, right? Second thing, we sometime people just draw something. Okay, this is the home. When let's take an example of architecture design. People just put, okay, this is my home, this is my size of my plot, and I want 3 BHK or 2 BHK, right? So someone can draw, okay, here you can see the bedroom, kitchen, balcony, all these things. So this is your basic designs. Now let's go to the second thing, history of user experience. So it started in 1993. Okay, with Sir Dor Norman was the first person whom we can simply say the father of user experience. He designed a Apple logo, right? The small one. Oh, sorry. He gives the small button, center oriented button. That was user experience to separate iPhone from other, you know, other mobile phones. So, like, this is the way how user experience came into the realistic way. It was in the history of human revolution, but uh, we recognize just because of Sir Don Norman. There are some jobs which are available in this market for you guys: user centric focus, strategic thinking, continuous learning. Okay, just because of learning process, empathize and empathy, and once again alliterative process. Okay, UX process is simple: empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test, which we will learn. Okay, why UX is required? This is something which is super important just to improve user satisfaction, reputation, to increase the reputation of the brand. Good design ultimately drive your business growth, which is once again I agree, and you guys also agree. Okay, aligning with user needs and expectations, which is once again a good thing into user experience design, which can help us, and you can ensure your products are actually user friendly. Okay, now before moving forward, I am going to show you design of gamesandfans.tv. Okay, since you guys know I am not a graphics designer. Okay, I am not a, you can say, a full stack developer or any kind of tech background. I completed my degree in civil engineering, then I came into this corporate industry. I learn a lot of things. Okay, but still I can give I believe I can give a good user experience design to my company, which can help us to increase our business, also which gives us user satisfaction. Can you guys can see this screen? Everybody, guys, just say yes and no. Okay, you guys can see. Thank you, guys. So, one second. First, I'm going to show you our website. Now you can see. Oh, screen. Okay, now, guys, can you see? Okay. So this is our basic website. We started with this only. Okay. You can see the interface is completely designed and oriented from references only. Okay. We do some changes. We do some, modifications as per our understanding and as per our users. Okay. So here you can see, you can simply say esports cricket. Our main focus is esports and cricket. So we put two things, esports and cricket. Esports is our main thing, so which we put on the number one, and second is our cricket, okay, which we put on number two. Now here is news section where you can get some news informations, okay, more variables, web3 and our case studies, and app development. Okay, app development is one function which we used to offer to our clients. So we put app development also. So now here you can see, I will tell you why I'm telling you about this header. So this is my header. I put esports, cricket, news, more section, app development. But when you come here, we have featured esports, cricket. Okay, load more. When I say load more, there will be more, pointers which comes into the picture. Okay, we also used to do some gaming oriented thing which are rummy, poker, and unfortunately we shut it down just because of the government policies. So you can see now here we, we are not putting anything, we are just putting the main things which are related to the user, so users can come and just click esports. Okay, if I click on esports, I will get the esports content. If I click on the cricket, I can get the cricket content. What if I put something about us, homepage, xyz? Can anyone guess why we put esports, cricket and all these things? Why not home, our social media links or all these other things? Guys, quick, anyone wants to answer? You might have seen some websites where home section, about us, contact us, right? There are a lot of things you can see, right? Guys, please
User
answer it.
directly interact.
Yes, but we just put esports and cricket news more. Yes, if someone is coming on my website, this means, literally they people know about us. That's why they are coming to our website. True. Then why we are putting about us section or home page? They are already on the home page now. Getting a point? You have seen in multiple websites about us, contact us. Okay, so this is something which is which is not good as per the users, because I know about your company. That's why I came on your website or on your mobile application. Correct? Why we put about us? It's okay, fine. We know you are from where, what you guys are doing. That's why I'm coming to your website. Correct? So this was the website where we are, we put some banners just to monetize clicks and all these things, just to promote some brands. Here we also put some banners because this is your business, right? Where you will get some clicks and ads. You can, this is the way to monetize your web development, oh sorry, blogging business or news business. Only the module is to give some banner ads and placements. Correct? So Acer is one of our client. Okay, and we are generating good traffic to them through this website only. Now you will shock, like you will be shocked. We have different website and different mobile application. Now I'm going to present my this mobile application tab. Okay, so Figma is one tool. Let me tell all of you, there are multiple tools in design industry. This make clear for users. Yes, Mohammed, makes sense. So there are multiple tools used in design. When I say tools, means online platforms which exist in the market and you can use in your system. So Figma is one of the simplest and coolest platform where you can design anything. You can design graphics, you can do wireframing, you can do prototyping. The whole process which user experience designer needs to learn can be done in Figma. That's why most of the people are using Figma. So yes, we teach Figma. Also, there are some tools like Adobe XD, and yes, creating a sitemap you can do, Tanveer. Okay, so Figma is the major tool which our user experience designers are using now these days. Second is Sketch, Adobe. There are more tools into user experience, like more than 20, 30 tools. But if you learn Figma, this means you can do user experience design in a good manner. So, one second. So you can see our mobile application is available on this Play Store, where we started a few days back only. We are still working on the user interface. So you can see latest sports and gaming and esports hub. Okay, Chennai Super Kings. Here you can see the videos and all these things. Where you will see this is completely different from the website. Correct. Here we put some top rated apps category. Apart from this, there are something which is for the incentivization of the users, where they just have to play the games, or they just have to spend the time on the mobile application, and they will get some winnings and scratch cards, game tickets, redeem codes, and they can easily withdraw this amount. I will tell you the interface of this withdrawals and winnings also. Okay, withdraw money directly to your bank account, how you can withdraw the money. So this is a basic, basic thing, where you can see. Now I'm going to show you the main interface. I think my internet is too slow. Okay, now it's opening. Okay, so let's start with this our screen, which is games and fans. We just keep it crystal clear. Okay, so this is our splash screen, nothing fancy, nothing, just games and fans.tv to just give some branding. Okay, in the mind of users. Okay, you are coming on the games and fans.tv. Okay, and here we give a small call to action, right? You can see, guys, just a small call to action, so user can actually understand I have to go on the second screen, where they will get this registration screen. Okay, hello users, register on your gamesandfans.tv, where you have to put the username, email, mobile number, password, confirm password, and register. If someone wants to, get into a smoother way, just we have did this Facebook icon. If you want to log in from Facebook, Google icon just to log in by using your Gmail, and Apple. If you are a iOS user, then definitely you can just log in by choosing your iOS account. If you have already an account, you can just simply click on the login button. Okay, when you come onto this login button, then you will get this welcome back, login your account. You can see, hello, register to gamesandfans.tv. This is just to collect the information of data. Okay, we will get the username, email ID, mobile number, password, and all these things. Now, welcome back, login. If you sign login, now just be mobile number, password. That's it. And once again, if you want to log in with your Facebook, Google, or Apple, you can simply, okay, once again, if you are a new user, you can register. If you get forgot password, get code via mail, SMS, or anything. Just enter your email ID, you will get your code. Just enter your phone number, mobile number, get your code. OTP verification, you just have to put OTP. Once again, confirm. If you want to change your password, you can simply change password. This is the latest design of our mobile application, and your password has been changed. My wallet, where you can just click on with the withdraw button. You will get your offers here, try offers minimum, so you can take to the landing pages. Wallet history, you can simply say this much money I have earned, where we are like keeping it crystal clear, so users can actually see easily. Here we have withdraw money, how much withdraw money you have done. Now my wallet history, where succeed transactions or not. Refer a friend, invite someone directly to the WhatsApp, and all these things. So here I just want to tell you guys, anyone know what is the size of the screen? Guys, come on. Anyone know what is the size of mobile screen?
4K around 1080p into 720p resolution.
Can you write in the chat box also? Okay, okay. So I would say all of you guys are right. There are different companies. Let's say Apple, Vivo, Oppo, IQ, right? So it depends on the brand to brand. But we design a mobile application for all of these companies. Correct? Agree? It's not like we'll develop a new mobile application for Samsung users or Oppo users or Vivo users. Correct? So Figma is something which gives you flexibility, okay, to give your code an XYZ size. You just have to take a, a standard size and you can design it simply. Now here, you can say, you can see, you don't need, like, this is not tech, right? आपको उसमें कुछ ज्यादा आपको सीखने के लिए नहीं है. There are some elements that you can easily use, correct? And you can just simply go on the website where you will get the sizes of this icons, right? Width, height, ठीक है? Getting a point what I'm trying to tell you. So these are the buttons where you can copy and paste it. Getting a point? I don't have the access in this system because I use my office system. Otherwise I can easily show you. You just have to copy and paste it. You can easily take it. So this is something which is super easy. Now, like, if someone told you, okay, Figma, if you want to become a UX designer, you need a degree or you need a tech background. No, it's not like that. You can simply say, this is all about your brain, how you can think. It's about your critical thinking, how you can solve the problems. This is not you have to do the coding or you have to design also. This is not you can design. You can, if you are a good UX designer and if you are a good critical thinker, you can just put your ideas on a paper and you can give it to your juniors. Okay, this is the solution of the problem. Now give me this. Now the job on the other people. Okay, lead UX designer gives me the solution. Now I have to design it. Graphics designer or UI designer, they will think what is the color, what colors that we have to use, how we have to design. I can give you the, okay, step number one, step number two, step three, four, five, six, and the end step. This is all about user experience. Getting a point, guys? A good UX designer can be a good critical thinker. So this is in your brain, not in your tools. The tools are only for the people who wants to do all the steps from step number one, two, three, four, five, six. Getting my point? There are multiple people. They people do not do not design. They people do not code, but they are into user experience. They are into. They have good in the information collection. There are some terms. Now I will tell you why we. Someone think about it. Why we are choosing this yellow color only? Okay, there are some colors you can see: yellow, white, black, sometimes green. Look here, green and red and yellow. So yellow, our color is yellow in our whole logo and mobile application, which gives you simplicity. Honestly, so Zomato, Swiggy, all these companies having red and orange colors, right? Agree? Most of the people having red colors, blue colors. When I talk about this blue taxi services, all these people, so they have blue color, and blue denotes electricity. Most of the people know this, okay? And red denotes your hunger. But we have one option left to make our brand unique from other people, which is yellow, because there are less companies. uh, Blinkit people are using the hardcore yellow color, okay, and Zomato is using purple. Oh, sorry, not Zomato. This Zapto is using purple. So this is the era of modern colors, you can say. So that's why we choose this color. And yellow is something where, sorry, here red we do not, okay, you have a transaction. So people will look it, okay, this red is looking something different. You are, simply you are using the mobile application, everywhere symmetry, yellow, white, black. When you come onto your wallet history, you will see, suddenly you will see red. What is this? Make sense, guys? That's why we put transactions. Okay, your money is going out or your money is going in. Make sense? If it success, then it's green. If it's failed, then it will be once again red. So, like, this is the way how you get attention of users. Okay, so this is the importance of user interface. I'm telling you the another step, which is UI design. So these colors, okay, these designs, colors, you are looking, okay, referral, wallet history and referral. After wallet history, you will get transaction details. This is UI. Okay, step number one, you have to do a transaction. If you do not do transaction, then how you will get a wallet history? So you cannot put wallet history in your home page, correct? You have to put it after your transactions. Your wallet history will comes. Agree? If I put my wallet history on my home screen, then people will, okay, give me, like, okay, I am not doing any transaction, my wallet history is zero. Does not make any sense, correct? If someone does transaction, then your wallet history comes into the picture. Okay. Now let's go to the part of the process of user experience. Okay, also I'm going to show you some more good examples of user experience design which are dominating the whole market, just like games and fans, where uh, we have Flipkart, Amazon. Okay, they revolutionize the whole e-commerce industry. We have Zomato. Oh, I'm so sorry. We have Zomato, Swiggy, EatSure. Okay, all these companies are good companies, and they people are just doing the best user experience design in Indian history. Honestly, guys. Now, when I talk about the process, so your first process is research. Let's talk. Let's redefine the user experience now. So your first process in user experience is research. If a problem statement comes into the picture, then you have to do some research. This is your first application. Can anyone answer me? You got a problem and you just started the developing the product. Is it possible? Guys, fast. Everybody. We have 20 people. I need at least 10 answers. Guys, quick.
No.
Thank you, Manali. Anyone? Okay. Yes, you can do. Tanvir, you cannot do, buddy. If you got a problem statement and you just deliver the product, not possible. And you just started the, developing the product, not possible. You have to do some research. You have to do some, knowledge sharing with different people. Okay, this is something which I got. Now, what can I do with this? I will talk to multiple people, A, B, C, 10 people in family, friends, or XYZ. Then I will start, okay, now I have a solution of this problem statement, which can be this. Then you will figure out who can develop, who can deliver this, or who can develop this, correct? Yes, root, correct. You have to find out the root cause. Now second is analysis. Okay, you will figure out, okay, now I got the solution, but is it good? How much money I have to spend? Is it really fruitful to my problem statement? Is it quite enough or not? Then you will start it designing, which is create some wireframes. Okay, step number 1, 2, 3, here will be your pattern XYZ. Okay, also you will figure out login pages or anything. If you are into physical product, then okay, this is a chair. For example, you are going to make a comfortable chair. Then you have seen in the gaming people having a chair of this much height. And when we talk about the corporate, so they have this much height of chairs, correct? Agree, everybody? Then they started thinking, okay, this is something, you have to do some brainstorm activities. We have to collect once again the information and put it on a table. Okay. Then you will go on the part of develop, create. Now you started developing, creating a codes and an implementation of designs and colors. And after completion of the product, you will evaluate it. How to evaluate? You will give some, you will give it to some users. They will do some testing. They will give you some more feedback. You will find out the bugs, if people are liking it or not. Then you will finally, you will say, okay, now my product is ready. Now I am going to launch this on XYZ date. Agree? This is the main process. It start from the coming the problem statement, doing the research, analyzing your data, which you have done from your research part, and also the solution which you already think, okay, this is the solution that I am going to introduce to my customers or my clients or to the whole market or for myself also. Then you started designing, okay, color ye hoga, logo will be this, color will be this, and XYZ. Then you develop this product with the help of developers or by yourself or anybody in the market. Then you evaluate it, okay, this is the product, I am satisfied this product, and more 20, 30, 50 people are satisfied with this product. Then you will say, now I can launch this product to run my business. Everybody crystal clear with this with this UX process? Thank you. Now there are some jobs: UX designer, visual designer, interaction designer, user researcher, user designer, UX writer, automotive UX designer, haptic UI designer, usability analyst, design thinker. So when I say UX designer, which means they people just develop the user experience process. When I say visual designers, so they just visualize the content. Okay, when I say interaction designer, so they just create some unique experience. Let's say I am tapping on this my mobile phone's screen, this unlock and lock button. So this is my interaction. Getting my point, guys? When I see this, okay, this is the color, which is UI, and this look and feel. Okay, this camera, this is just user experience. Okay, we have to put three cameras here. So this is your user experience designing. And how it works, this is your interaction design. The color is black only, okay, and the screen is always visible just like this. So this is your UI part. When I say UX writer, which means you just draw, okay, just draw your raw, you can say raw solutions on a paper. Automotive, of course, it comes into this automobile industry, cars and all these things. Haptic designer is something, you might know, most of the people have broken their mobile phones, or sometime we used to type this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 in our mobile phones, correct? So why we are putting 1 2 3? Why from not 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1? Graphics designing, Khushbu Khatri. Okay, Khushbu will come on the part of question and answer after 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Why choose UX as a career? Of course, there are multiple opportunities in user experience design. And the average package of user experience design is too good. It starts from 7 LPA and goes up to 30 LPA, which is head of design, where you just have to sit and relax and you just have to use your brain. Design managers, design leaders, lead UX designers, information architect, senior UX designer, and junior UX designer. We are running a boot camp, which is 4 months program, where we have 4 months to teach you how UX work. Course overview is, 1 second. Course highlights: weekend classes, online sessions, we used to do micro batches, 10 to 15 people, live projects, we used to do guaranteed placement of assistants. And 4 months of this program, you can become a UX designer in 4 months. uh, these are some people: Puneet Chawla, the founder of UX design, he is the mentor and trainer. Satish is the one more person who is a trainer. Mayur, founder of rethinking UX community. Why choose Google? You can Google it. There are 1 million UX designers in the world and growing 100 million by 2025. So that's why user experience is important. There are some hiring partners associated with us. You can see all these companies are hiring. There are some students who are placed in multinational companies just like TCS, Design Webry, and all these companies. There are some case studies which you will get after the session. Okay, now you can ask anything. What is the difference, core difference in graphics designing and UI UX designing? So, graphics designing is just a design. You are not creating unique. Okay, but as per my understanding, you graphics designers are not creating any kind of unique things. They people are just taking the references, using the different templates and all these things, or references of the company ads, or doing some all these content. But yes, Priyanka, definitely I will explain you about user research also. And UI UX designers are Khushbu, which are creating new solutions, creating new content. So now you can understand the difference. Like it's crystal clear. I have to tell hundred of times to graphics designers, okay, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong, redesign, change this from this to this there, right? But if a UX designer, so he knows how to do. Now user research. User research, how we do user research? Let's take an example of whom we have in this session. Let me take a name. Uh, let's take an example of Tarun. Okay, so Tarun is someone. He is facing any problem. Let's take in this fintech industry. Okay, so Tarun is not able to send money. For example, back in 2010. So Tarun come to this Priyanka, and he told you, "Hi Priyanka, I'm very frustrated. I have to send money urgently to one of my colleague or one of my friend, but I am not able to send. If there is anything that is available in the market, uh, through the process, I can immediately send money, so he can get money in urgency. Then Khushbu, yes, we are coming on to that part also. So, please explain about user research. So he came to you, gives you a problem statement. Now you started thinking, okay, Tarun's problem is sending money. Then you talk about 10 people. Okay, 10 people. Ki, hi, I have a product which is mobile application, and you can send money instantly in with the help of, you can say, a mobile application instantly. Are you going to use it? You talk to 100 people. Now 100 people will told you, 90 people will told you, okay, yes, if there is a mobile application which, like, by using the mobile application I can send you someone money instantly, then I'm going to use. And out of 100 people, 10 people will be, this is not good, my account can be hacked, I can send money to the wrong person, no, I just like to go bank and putting my check or sending money, right? So there are 90 people who agree with your project, with your product, and there are 10 people which deny your product. Now please tell me, like, whom you are going to choose, the 90 people or the 10 people? Quick, Priyanka. 90 people, correct. So you talk to 100 people. Okay, out of 100 people you will get 100 answers. If the people are agree, they will also have their own thinking. Someone have to send money to their daughter, children, or boy, and someone have to send money to the family or friends or the relatives. Okay, so everyone have their own problems. So you get 90 100 people, 90 people in your favor with the different reasons, and 10 people with the different reasons denying you. So this is your user experience, oh sorry, user research. Once again, when you develop your product, then you will give this to them, कि now please use it and let me know the experience. You give all the 100 people, and you observe, okay, someone is interacting here, someone is stuck at the point screen number 2, someone is stuck at the screen number 3 or 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Then you have to, once again find out solution to giving them better user experience. Okay, so no one can, get stuck. Just like phone Paytm, illiterate people, for example, if I am a vendor or a hawker or a beautician or a lawyer or a, you know graphics designer, right, I can pay easily. I don't need to get into college or school or XYZ, right? I just need a Android mobile phone, right, where I can just simply uh, simply send it, ki, okay, this is the number, I have to put it here and I can send the money. Second option is I can scan anyone's scanner and I can send money, correct? Khushbu, the session is only for 1 hour. I'm so sorry, but definitely in upcoming session, maybe the next week, or you can take a number of our team member, okay, and you can just put it hi over my WhatsApp number, which I shared here in this chat box, 7073940169. You can, I will definitely will figure out to give you a 1 hour class where I will give you a basic of, template, but not today or tomorrow, in the weekdays, because I will be available in the office and I am having a different system in my office. From there I can teach you. Anyone else that have basic questions about this? Guys, quick. Okay. Guys, can we do a attendance? 1 second. So I can just, post it. 1 second. Guys, please stay here only. I'm sending you a form, okay, where you just have to confirm your attendance. Okay, I joined this webinar. Also, there are a few things. If anyone from WEARE1 Academy students, okay, if they wants to, if they wants to know about the course or the curriculum, we are running a 4 months program, which is completely a full stack, you can say a full stack user experience designing program, where you can just learn the fundamentals of user experience from the basic to the extreme level with the placement assistance. So we'll give you the placement assistance also. Okay, so here is the form. Please guys, mark your attendance here quickly, and also write done in the chat box. Guys, please do it fast so I can have a, understanding of this session. Asna is one of my connection student. Okay, Asna join. Ayman, Athar, Tinamam, Gaurav, Mahesh, Manali, Mohammed Tanvir, Omkar Srivast, Priyanka Salve, Raj Shreyans, Rashmi Rekha, Tarun, Vinchu. Okay, anyone from user experience design industry here who is working into user experience? No one? Guys, come on, yeah. You guys are like, I am speaking from last 1 hour. You guys are not speaking. I am learning. Nice. From where are you learning, Mohammed? Thank you, Athav. Come on, guys, please speak up. This is a webinar na, where we can, talk to each other. Tarun, where are you from, Tarun? And आप क्या करते हो, तरुण? Why you join this webinar? Okay, so now you can take admission also if you want. If you want to learn in depth, na, you can take admission. Okay, Manali, I want to make your career how to start. Sorry, I joined late. It's okay, Manali, fine, completely fine. So basically, how to make career is like too simple. You just have to learn the basic fundamentals of user experience design. You just need to figure out a mentor, which can be first thing. You just need a mentor, or you can go with the design studios. So design studios having it's okay, Ashna, no problem. So I want, if you went into design studios, then definitely they people can help you because they know how to treat. Sorry, they people are working in the corporate, so they can actually tell you what is trending and what is not, right? So there are two ways. Either you can go with the mentor, figure out there are more, like there are thousands of people, UX coaches. They call them UX coaches and UX evangelist also. Okay, you can go to them. Second option is you can figure out the design studios, just like WEARE1 Academy, where you can join a program. And do we have design studio? Yes, Manali, we have design studio in Bangalore, and we are running online also. Yes, Ashna, it's okay, fine. We can understand. Anyone else? Do we have design studio, Manali? Yes, we have design studio. How much will it cost? So generally, what happens? There are a few companies, tech companies and design studios. They people are charging nearby one lakh or 1,50,000. Also, there are a few companies they are charging 30,000 to 50,000. It depends on your understanding, Manali. I'm not saying you can go with the VR1 Academy or you can go with XYZ. It like you just have to do your market research. You just have to do your R&D. Ki whether which institute is good, whether trainers are quite in good or not. Okay, you can talk to the placement. You have to see the placement also, and you have to think about the leading people. Okay, they people are supporting or not. Can we start with internship? Manali, nobody will give you internship directly. You don't have a certification now. Well, how will you prove it? Either you need to work for either you need to work for nearby 2 3 years, just like me. I was into UX for 2 years. Then I, after 3 4 years into corporate, finally I become a product manager where I can think to build a product, because it's not easy to invest in technology. Most of the companies are running on the technology only. So this is like super important. You are having a 3 4 years of experience. Thank you, Manali. 3 4 months of experience up not 3 4 months, 3 4 years into UX. Then they will give you opportunity of internship only, core user experience. What is the cost? Look, I already told now, it start from 30,000. EdTech companies are offering in 30,000. And there are a few companies, they people are offering it in 1,50,000 also. Rashmi, our cost is 60,000, I think. Well, nearby 60,000. Wow, congrats, thanks, sir. Do you think AI can replace UI UX design? No, never. Huh. Mahesh, in the digital marketing, in the content writing, everywhere people are thinking AI can replace. No, like trust me, there are big influencers, millions of views. They people are also telling you AI will replace the humans, but not possible. If you have the correct skills, if you person are the leading person, nobody can replace you. Trust me. AI is created from humans only. AI is just to help you as a working professional, as a corporate person, as a UX designer, as a content writer or marketer. AI is only to help you to increase the productivity of the employees, to increase the efficiency of the companies, and increase the ETA, estimated time of doing a task in the companies. So that's why people create AI, not to replace humans. Well, how is it possible? We create AI. We are the actual thinkers, not AI. AI will give you results just like Google, and people are running Google. The the most unique brains. They people are running all these companies, AI, Google, and all these. So now, when I don't have experience and certificate, what about would be my first step? Initiate. Manali, once again, I'm going to tell you, figure out first, figure out a mentor who can actually give you 2, 3 tasks in a week, the correct way, which I have done now. Figure out one person who can actually good in product or UX. He will give you one task in a day or two tasks in a week. Okay, you need to perform all these tasks. Then you have to start thinking. Always think, okay, I am using this mobile phone. Is it good? Is it good UX? No, just throw it. If I'm reading a book, the user experience is good or not? Well, you have to think user experience daily, daily, daily. Getting my point? And second thing is, if you don't have too much time, definitely it will take 1 year, maybe, or 6 months or 1 year to understand user experience. But second way is just enroll in a design studio where you will get 3 months or 4 months of certification program. You can go if you do not have, if you have less finance, then you can go with the EMI option, because after 3, 4 months, easily, if you have good portfolio, then you will get user experience designer's job. Portfolio also important, super important, with trainers and coaches can help you. They can actually build your portfolio really well. And even you can, I just shared my number also. Okay, you guys can ping me over WhatsApp. Will give you some references. Okay, where you can get your learnings. Anything else, guys? Quick, guys, fast. Either will close this session in next 5 minutes after taking a selfie. Guys, quick. No, nobody. Okay, guys, once again, thank you very much for joining this session. And I hope I am able to give you 0.1% of, user experience to start your career into user experience. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye. Take care. Thank you, all of you.